Yes, good morning and welcome back to my channel, which goes by the name of Hajways. Today, I've brought you here to the Trafford Park, which is right in front of us there. And I'm starting this recording right on top of the Trafford Bridge, which is this one here behind me. And on top, and underneath is the canal. So we're going to walk all the way down and visit the Trafford Park and see what it has to offer. Always seen it from afar, so today I wanted to go nearby and see what is there to bring as content. So I hope you're going to enjoy this walk with me today. Welcome. Once the estate of the Trafford family, this area underwent a significant transformation in the 19th century when it was sold, leading to the onset of the Industrial Revolution in this region. Manufacturers flocked to Trafford Park, turning it into a thriving industrial hub. So join me as we explore this rich tapestry of the Trafford Park, from its industrial roots to its modern day vibrancy. From the hustle and bustle of the businesses to the surrounding spaces, there's something here for everyone to discover. With its sleek architecture and diverse offerings, the Trafford Park shopping centre attracts millions of visitors every year. So here we are. This is where history meets modernity. And did you know that the Trafford Park, which is the entire region, not just where we are, is Europe's largest industrial estate? It's been a vital part of Manchester's economy since the late 19th century. So its fame hit the roof, I think around the mid 19th century, and then it waned and it's bounced back now. And now we have all these companies that have settled here, and the Trafford Park has experienced that resurgence, emerging as a major business hub with over 1,000 companies, from supplying military equipment during the World Wars to housing the Imperial War Museum, which is further south here, but just a walking distance, and also the iconic Old Trafford Stadium, which is probably the major attraction in this area, depending on what you're looking for. So this area is teeming with history and vitality. I'll say the shopping center, the architectural design is simple but yet very, very practical. Are you driving? Then you have a massive car park here, so you definitely get a space to park your car if you're on a day out here or you just simply came for shopping. And transportation wise, it is well connected to the town center. It's not very far from the town center. It's about 4 to 5 miles away from here, say 4 miles. And you have trams that come right here, not to the shopping center here, but just 2-3 minutes away from here. And then you have buses as well that come all the way from the city center in Manchester. And they would not, it's not along the trams would be about, I would say, 15 minutes from the town center. And the buses might take a bit longer because of the routes that they follow. But it's a very, very beautiful place to visit. So it doesn't matter what you are, what you're looking for. If it's fashion related, or like trends, or you're looking for simply a delicious meal, or you're looking for excitement in the stadium, then the Trafford Park has something for everyone. And if you're driving an electric vehicle, then you have charging points right on this shopping center here. So as I said, very well planned. Now we are it's time for the grand finale of our journey. But before we finalize it, we are going to go to perhaps the major attraction in this area, and that's the Old Trafford Stadium, or also known as the Theatre of Dreams. And now where we are would be the famous corner where you have all the eateries, and there's this pub here, and that's where people would either quench their thirst or fill their stomachs just before they go into the stadium, either for a visit or after the visit or for a match day. It's a beautiful place. Just imagine living here next to the stadium, especially if you are a football lover and your team is the Manchester United. So the Manchester United Stadium, or the Old Trafford, was built in 1910, and it has been home to the Manchester United Football Club for over a century. It's seen its fair share of triumphs and tribulations, and it's where legends have been made. If you love football, you know these people. Down here we have the Munich Canal and entrance to the stadium. Not just once, there's many other gates, but I believe the team uses one of these entrances to go into the stadium. But also the main attraction here is the Bob Charlton stand right on top of the Munich Canal. So he is one of the legends of this team. If you don't know or you've never heard about him, go and search for the Manchester United history, and definitely his name is gonna feature up there. So let's take a walk around the stadium and see the beauty, or admire the beauty of this place. So right in front of the stadium, you will be greeted by some major or very important statues, and also these pictures of some of the legends that have been playing for this team or still playing, some of them, but most of them now have left. Some of them are very old footballers, but anyways, people who have made history here in the Manchester United. Hey guys, you want a picture all of you together?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll do one for you. Here, just jump on the picture, mate.
Jump on the picture.
Yeah, I'll take one for you. Yeah, I'll take with this one. Yeah, man. Do you want it like this or like that? I'll do both, okay? Yeah, man. There you go. You're visiting or what?
Yeah.
Do you live in Manchester?
Nah.
No?
No.
I do YouTube videos.
Is it?
Yeah, man. That's what I'm doing now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Shout out you too.
Where are you from?
Stockholm.
Oh, okay. It's not very far away.
No,
yeah, it's like
no.
what, 40 minutes or?
Yeah, by train. Yeah. 38.
How is life there?
It's
Yeah.
quiet.
It's quieter than Manchester, isn't it? Where are you from originally?
From Nigeria.
Ah, okay. I'm from Kenya.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And you guys are fighting with what's the name of the guy? The president. Tanabo or Tinubu?
We're not fighting, we're not fighting.
The old guys.
We're not fighting.
You're
Those
cool
are the better government.
We also for a better.
How is life in the UK? Have you been here for long?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And how is it?
It's nice.
Yeah? Are you happy? Do you regret? Do you want to go back home?
No regrets.
No?
No, it's
You're doing good.
As a
nice to
man,
go back home there.
Yeah, always nice to go back home.
man, you can't really regret.
It will be lovely. It's lovely to
Go
go back
life.
home.
Yeah.
It's not going to be nice. It will be lovely to go back home.
It will be lovely to go back home, yeah. I have got the same feeling as well. You know, so I've been in the UK for 5 years now. Yeah.
Kenya won their friendly game.
I've not been following the football. How are they doing?
Well, I don't know, but they won their last.
It's been a nightmare for them.
Kenya is an all-winning.
Well, they won their last friendly game.
With who? Against Nigeria?
Malawi.
Against Malawi. Oh, that's a small time team.
Nigeria played against Ghana.
Oh, he did.
Yeah.
How was it?
We won.
Of course, man. Hey guys, it's been a pleasure, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, good. Hey, so if you want to watch yourselves, you're in the video.
Yeah. What's up, babe?
I'll give you the name. It's Hajways. Nice people, as you can see. Met some brothers here who would come all the way from Stock to come and watch, or well, to come and visit the stadium. So yes, let's continue with what we were doing. So this will be the front side of the stadium. Very, very beautiful. And you know, this area is covered, as I said, with statues, and then you have, of course, this imposing front side with the logo of the Manchester United Stadium, and it is one of those images, or that side of the stadium, which has featured in many pictures of people who have come to visit this stadium. But I can just imagine, you know, if you step inside the stadium on a match day, you can feel the energy and excitement that fills this historic stadium. And even just passing by here, you can feel that energy, because this place has made a lot of history. Can you imagine how many people have come to just to visit, or well, visiting and coming here on match days since more than 100 years? I mean, it's been millions of people. And here we are at the Sir Alex Ferguson's wing, which is equally very, very beautiful. But whether you are a die-hard of football or simply appreciate the history and architecture, Old Trafford is a must visit for everyone who is visiting Manchester. Well, it's been a lovely walk today, where we've gone to the Trafford Park, and then we came here to the Old Trafford to end our video today. I'm glad that you have enjoyed this visit, and you have been able to stick around here with me to the end, and we hope to continue with these adventures and counting on your support. Remember, the channel goes by the name of Hajways, and if it's your first time, do not forget to subscribe, like the videos, share them with friends and family so that we can help this channel grow to bigger heights. Thank you so much for your support, and see you in the next adventure. Bye bye.